Russia has reached a major milestone in its ambitious high-speed rail project linking Moscow and St. Petersburg. Specialists at the Ural Locomotives facility in Verkhnaya Pishma have completed painting the first 3 car bodies of the next-generation EVS 360 train, known as the White Gyrfalcon. This moment marks an exciting transition from heavy structural manufacturing to sophisticated final assembly. The freshly painted car bodies are now heading to the production lines, where critical systems, interiors, and high-tech equipment will be installed, bringing the project one giant step closer to reality. The painting process for the EVS 360 was engineered to withstand extreme conditions at speeds of up to 400 km per hour. Engineers used advanced water-based coating systems that deliver superior durability and performance while remaining environmentally responsible. Before painting, the aluminum car bodies underwent abrasive blasting to ensure perfect adhesion. This was followed by a meticulous multi-layer process: primer, putty leveling, color enamel, and a final protective varnish, with anywhere from 4 to 7 layers applied depending on the section. Every stage took place in specialized climate-controlled chambers where temperature and humidity were strictly monitored. The result is a flawless, long-lasting finish that will endure years of punishing operational demands. The first 2 train sets feature a sleek metallic black and gray livery that gives the White Gyrfalcon a premium, modern look worthy of the world's best high-speed trains. But this isn't just about aesthetics. The metallic coating enhances thermal resistance and surface durability, while the final high-gloss lacquer achieves over 80% reflectivity. This creates an exceptionally smooth surface, critical for aerodynamic performance at blistering speeds. Even the tiniest surface imperfections can increase drag at high velocities. By delivering a mirror-like finish, engineers have minimized air resistance, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced overall stability. The advanced coating system plays a vital role in the train's safety and long-term performance. It remains elastic under constant vibration, preventing cracks and degradation over time. The layers also resist extreme heat, freezing temperatures, heavy rain, snow, and aggressive cleaning chemicals, essential for year-round operation across Russia's diverse climates. In addition, the coatings are fire-resistant to meet stringent safety standards and help dampen vibrations, promising passengers a quieter, more comfortable ride. The EVS 360 project showcases the power of collaboration. Around 150 Russian enterprises across electronics, materials science, mechanical engineering, and transport systems have come together to make it happen. Ural Locomotives, a subsidiary of the Sonara Group, serves as the main integrator and driving force behind this ambitious initiative. Beyond building a world-class high-speed train, the project is strengthening domestic industrial capabilities, fostering innovation, and pushing the boundaries of advanced manufacturing in Russia. The White Gyrfalcon is no longer just a concept. It's rapidly taking shape, and its future is looking faster, sleeker, and brighter than ever. The EVS 360, Russia's groundbreaking high-speed train known as the White Gyrfalcon, is on track to transform travel between Moscow and St. Petersburg within the next few years. According to the project's ambitious yet disciplined timeline, the first complete 8-car train set is scheduled for final assembly by the end of 2026. This will mark the successful conclusion of the main production phase. In 2027, the first 2 train sets will undergo rigorous certification trials on a dedicated test section between Zelenograd and Tver. Engineers will thoroughly evaluate every critical aspect: passenger comfort, safety systems, reliability, braking performance, and high-speed capabilities, before the trains are approved for commercial service. The EVS 360 is the flagship of a much larger vision, building a modern high-speed rail corridor linking Russia's 2 greatest cities. By the end of 2028, the route is expected to be served by 28 advanced train sets. This number will grow to 43 by 2030, dramatically boosting capacity and frequency while offering a fast, comfortable, and eco-friendly alternative to air travel. This strategic rollout reflects long-term planning aimed at slashing travel times and redefining intercity connectivity. While the trains are being built, work on the supporting infrastructure is advancing in parallel. Full-scale construction of the high-speed line is set to begin in 2026. Once completed, the new railway will revolutionize journeys between Moscow and St. Petersburg. In St. Petersburg, a striking new high-speed terminal is under development near Moskovsky railway station. The project has already received architectural approval, with major enhancements planned by 2028. These include an underground tunnel beneath existing tracks, expanded road access, and a new exit directly connected to the Likovsky Prospect metro station, all designed to seamlessly integrate high-speed rail into the heart of the city. More than just a train, the White Gyrfalcon represents a bold leap forward in sustainable, efficient, and high-performance transportation. It combines cutting-edge aerodynamic design, advanced materials, and intelligent systems developed through a massive nationwide industrial collaboration. The recent completion of the first painted car bodies is far more than a technical achievement. It is a powerful symbol of steady progress. With assembly now accelerating and testing on the horizon, the EVS 360 is rapidly moving from concept to reality. Soon, passengers will experience a new standard of high-speed travel, faster, smoother, greener, and proudly made in Russia. The White Gyrfalcon is ready to write a bold new chapter in the nation's transportation history.